This video I'll show you how to post WhatsApp status. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. Whatever I'm going to say in this video is solely for educational purpose only. Right? Head over to your WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp. So for you to be able to post your WhatsApp status, what you're going to do right now, click on this. Right? This is status. From here you can, this is the plus icon. You can either add a photo or a text. Right? So if I click on the text, I can come on here and type in hey. Right? Once I'm done, you're gonna click on this. Right? So wait for it to post. So you can see right here our WhatsApp has been posted. Our WhatsApp status has been posted. Right? So you can come on here, you can add a photo as well. So let me say I want to add this photo right here. Click on open. I'll add it up. Right? So wait for it to post. Once it has posted, now you're gonna see everything directly. So yeah, I think it just posted. So this is how you can post WhatsApp status. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.